Want to know how to view your portfolio in AngelList? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up angellist.com on your web browser. So you can just simply type in that and make sure you are logged in as well, and you should be under this interface right here. So now, once you're under this interface, on the top right side, you should be seeing this hamburger icon right here. So you can just simply select that to extend the menu right here. So in order to see your portfolio, this above pipeline you should be seeing portfolio right here. So you can just simply select that. So once that is done, your portfolio should be shown with various options where you can also extract CSV in it, and that's it. Super simple and easy. So this is really confidential, so make sure you do not share with anyone as well. So if you do so, it might lead you in penalizing and banned from AngelList as well. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.